Hey everybody, Mr. Tim here with how to make AI work right the first time. The bottom line is most people get bad answers from AI because they leave out the details that AI needs. Today I'm going to show you the 6 building blocks that fix that problem instantly, the same method I use every day. Before we start, one quick thing. I named ChatGPT Professor T to keep the AI focused and to keep me focused. When I treat it like a partner instead of a machine, the responses get clearer, faster, and more accurate. And no, you don't have to name your AI. The name isn't the trick, the mindset is the trick. If you treat it like a partner instead of a machine, that's what improves the answers. But if you do want to name your AI, use one simple rule. Pick a name that reminds you how you want the AI to behave. Your name is really a mindset. Mine is Professor T because I expect clear, accurate teaching level answers. So here's the 6 building blocks. Number 1 is who. Who is the question about? AI cannot assume anything. If you don't say who, it guesses wrong. For example, I'm using an Android phone, or my wife needs help with this or that, or this is for my PC. Number 2 is what. What exactly do you want? Most users say, how do I fix this? That's not specific enough. Tell the AI the exact goal. Like, show me how to crop a photo, or write my script in 3 parts, or explain this step by step. Number 3 is when. AI must know whether you mean today, this week, as of 2025, right now. For example, as of 2025, what's the best free video editor? Or right now, I'm trying to do so and so. Number 4 is where. This is the number one mistake most users make. Always specify the platform, the device, or the location. For example, use on Windows 10, or on a Motorola Edge, or inside YouTube Studio. Number 5 is why. This tells the AI what outcome you care about most. Like, because I want the fastest fix, or because this is for my YouTube channel. Maybe it's because I want to avoid buying new equipment. And finally, number 6 is how. This is the format. Tell the AI how you want the answer delivered. Examples would be, give me 5 steps, or a script line, bottom line action resolution, or write a script. So putting it all together, here's a bad AI question. How do I fix my camera? AI has to give everything, so the answer is too vague. Here's the correct version. Who? I'm using a Motorola Edge. What? I need to fix the blurry camera. When? Right now. Where? Inside the default camera app. Why? I'm recording a YouTube teaser. How? Give me 6 steps. This guarantees good answers every single time. If you want this entire system written out exactly the way I use it, I put together a simple $9 instruction kit. Inside the kit, you'll get the 6 building blocks, before and after examples, copy and paste templates, the Professor T method, how to talk to AI without mistakes. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. Now you understand the method that makes AI predictable. Use the 6 building blocks every time you ask AI a question, and you'll get cleaner, faster, more accurate answers than 99% of users. And remember, this is Everyday AI with Mr. Tim and Professor T. Real solutions with ChatGPT and Common Sense. You're in the right place.